G'day Internet, Max right here, and today, or just in the last few days, Raoul Pal did an interesting tweet storm talking about the Google Trends data for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the comparison thereof. He made some interesting observations. He also, I think, missed a couple of points. And I had some questions about it, and some people were confused by it. So I wanted to just go through it and explain what's going on. So Google Trends is the site. It's free and anyone can use it. You can just go on there and search, well, what's the search term, the search data over time for a particular thinger. And so you go ahead and click the past 5 years, and you'll see for the phrase Bitcoin, you can see here's the trend data. Now, what he was pointing to here, well, what's interesting to note here is that these graphs are always normalized to 100, meaning the peak search data is 100. Guaranteed it has to be 100. That's what it's normalized to, right? And so what this reveals that the peak Bitcoin search volume occurred in late 2017, during that epic bull run of 2017, the blow off top, and that's when it happened. And what he drew attention to the fact was this year, during the trend, the trend in early 2021, Bitcoin search data only really got to about 50% of its previous high at the 2017. If we go ahead and compare that to Ethereum, here is Ethereum in red. And here's the data from it, 2017, and it's at the 50 mark. And this time around, it was double. So compared to itself, Ethereum was double 2017. Compared to itself, Bitcoin was half of 2017. And that is a very interesting thing to note and well worth discussion. But I also think there's a lot of confusion around it. I think a lot of people felt like that the fact that Ethereum got to 100 here and Bitcoin only got to 50 is that there was twice as much search volume for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin in the last year. And that is not the case. If you want to look at that data, you have to get both Ethereum and Bitcoin, or Bitcoin and Ethereum, on the same chart. Here, Bitcoin is blue, Ethereum is red, and you can see, and now you can compare apples for apples. So this is so the Bitcoin's peak is at 100 still, and Ethereum's peak is relative to the Bitcoin search volume. So right now, as of today, as of this week, Bitcoin is getting around about 6x the volume of Ethereum. And so I think a lot of people misunderstood the graph because it was normalized to 100 for each coin. When you put them both on the same chart, you'll see that Bitcoin is getting 6 times the search volume of Ethereum. Now, that's not to discount the trend that Raoul Pal was alluding to. It is very interesting data. Ethereum's search volume doubled from that of 2017 compared to Bitcoin's, which halved compared to 2017. So that is very, very interesting data. Make of that what you will. Is that a changing of the guard? Is that foreshadowing that over the next few years, Bitcoin's going to continue to slow down compared to itself, and Ethereum's going to continue to increase compared to itself? Will there one day be a flippening? That's the big question. But let's take a look, because Raoul Pal kind of dealt with that, let's take a look at this data and see that, okay, so we are seeing that Bitcoin search volume is about 6x Ethereum. So what does that mean? I relate it to market cap. The Bitcoin market cap is around about double Ethereum's market cap, little bit more. So you would expect the search volume to be double. So 6x is probably still a shot in the arm saying, hey, Bitcoin's still got the lead here. But maybe, again, going back to Raoul Pal's kind of analysis and what he's drawing attention to, he's suggesting that, well, maybe what we're seeing here is the concept that it's the concept that Ethereum is going to take over Bitcoin one day. Definitely not there yet by search volume, and I just wanted to set the record straight. If you like this content, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all again soon.